Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. For the 2018 Miss Jamaica World MJW competition, 16 contestants competed in the talent competition for a chance to earn an automatic spot in the top 10 at the grand coronation set for September 1 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel's ballroom. The event was filled with exciting displays of talent in the form of singing, dancing and spoken word, and saw Shanique Salmon, Miss Hilda's Wine Jelly, winning the competition. E-Prime spoke with the winner of the talent competition, Shanique Salmon, who expressed her delight in winning.
I'm so excited. I didn't think this would happen, but it did.
One of the judges of the talent competition, media personality Daly Harris, gave her take on the performances.
We had to put together a core of judges that were experts in what they were doing. So we realized there were a number of dance pieces. So we went for Marlon Sims, who is artistic director of NDTC. You can't get better than Marlon. I Fidel Williams out of Ashe. So we brought people who understood the technicalities of each area. That was what was most important. Jamaican beauty comes in all shapes, forms, and that the Jamaican woman should appreciate the beauty that she has. There are a number of pieces that we would have seen in the rehearsal. I mean, I can't talk about our winner. Shanique came with a piece, and Akeem said, Shanique, I don't know, I heard you sing maybe 2 lines at the top. You sure you're not a singer? And she said, no, when I sing I get nervous, it not gonna sound good. And I said, well, sing something for us that you love. Sing a song that you like. And she said, well, I like this song. And when she started singing, we said, that's the song. That's the song.
The Miss Jamaica World Beauty with a Purpose Fast Track events will also be in the categories of fitness, model and beach beauty. Good luck to all the ladies. Now to news overseas. The 2018 MTV Video Music Awards took place last night at New York's Radio City Music Hall and featured major performances from entertainers like Travis Scott featuring James Blake, Post Malone, 21 Savage and Aerosmith, Nicki Minaj, Ariana Grande and Jennifer Lopez. The VMAs was opened by rapper Cardi B, who kicked off the show holding a pink blanket with what appeared to be her daughter Culture Kari. She had the crowd fooled though, as she later unwrapped the blanket, revealing that it was only a shiny Moon Man trophy. Camila Cabello took home 2 big prizes for Video of the Year for Havana and Artist of the Year, while Childish Gambino nabbed 3 prizes for This Is America, accepted by the video's choreographer Cherie Silva. Song of the Year went to Post Malone for Rockstar featuring 21 Savage. Cardi B won 2 VMAs for Best New Artist and Song of the Summer for the track I Like It featuring Bad Bunny and J Balvin, while the Best Collaboration Award went to Jennifer Lopez for her track Dinero, 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 a collaboration with DJ Khaled and Cardi B. Ariana Grande won the Best Pop Video Award, while Nicki Minaj won Best Hip Hop for her song Chun-Li, beating out contenders Cardi B, The Carters, Drake, J. Cole and The Migos. The Video Vanguard Award was given to Jennifer Lopez, who performed a medley of her hits. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.